In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color theme in Akiflow. Whether you've just started using Akiflow or you're simply wanting to customize your experience a bit more, changing the color theme is a great way to make your workspace feel more personal and comfortable. So, let's dive right into it and get started. First things first, you'll want to begin by navigating to your profile section within Akiflow. To do this, look to the upper right-hand corner of your screen. There, you'll see either your profile picture, or if you haven't uploaded a picture, it'll just display your initials. If you click on that icon, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you a few different options to interact with. From this menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new menu, where you'll find several tabs for different customizable features. This is where you can tailor quite a few aspects of your Akiflow experience. Now, from the Settings menu, you should see a tab labeled General. Go ahead and click on that. As you explore the General tab, you'll come across a section titled Appearance. This is precisely where you want to be. The Appearance setting allows you to modify the look and feel of your Akiflow workspace. Within the Appearance section, you'll find a drop-down menu. You have a few options here to choose from, and how you choose depends on your personal preference. If you're someone who finds dark themes easier on the eyes, particularly if you spend a lot of time working late into the night, then you'll want to select the dark option. A dark theme can really reduce glare and provide a more visually soothing experience. Alternatively, if you work primarily during the day or just prefer the crisp, clean look of a bright workspace, then the light option will be your go-to choice. A brighter theme can embody a sense of openness and clarity, which could be ideal for daytime productivity. Lastly, if you appreciate simplicity and would prefer the theme to auto-adjust based on your computer's color settings, you can select Auto Use System Settings. This way, Akiflow will seamlessly sync with your operating system's preference, whether it's dark, light, or anywhere in between. So, there you have it. By going into your profile settings, navigating through the General tab, and selecting your preferred appearance, you can easily change the color theme in Akiflow. This tweak might seem small, but a comfortable visual environment can have a surprisingly positive impact on your productivity and overall experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find the perfect theme setting to enhance your workflow.